If you get better, you'll be a better Airbnb host. I guarantee it. Let's jump right in. All right, welcome back, Airbnb family. Today we're talking about personal development. And we're not talking about just you, because you're important, but your people are important too. So you're on this channel because you want to become a better Airbnb host. You believe in reinvesting in yourself, in personal development. You've probably read plenty of books on how to be a better business person or more creative or more empathetic leader. And if you haven't, read all of those, okay? But there's something more important than just your personal development. It's your investment into your people, right? So there's a leadership development track or personal development track or some sort of corporate growth program in a lot of major companies, and you should be no different because it's the value add that you give to your team members, employees or contractors, whichever one you've chosen for your company. But it's that value add that you give that defines whether or not people want to stick with you, whether or not they're loyal to you and your company, whether or not they believe in you as a leader, right? It's if you make them better. So I want you to think about all the ways that you've ever grown to fill gaps, places that you were not prepared. Probably in this business that you're in right now, you weren't ready to be an Airbnb host necessarily, or did not understand the full implications, and you've grown to become better. Create corporate reading list. For example, one thing that I do is I have an Audible account that I let all the management of my company share, so they can log in and listen to all the same audiobooks, ones that I have listened to. I can relate to them and we can talk about those books as they learn. I can mentor them on something that they're experiencing in the moment outside of just work. Now, I also let them go in and buy whatever books they want, and they go in that shared account. Yeah, so I'm letting them spend company money on self-education. Believe it or not, it's worth every single dollar. It's worth 10 times as many dollars as they probably spend on those books because they are actively learning to invest in themselves. They're learning how important personal development is. Create a culture where people want to become better, and you're going to have the best team ever. Absolutely. So thank you for watching Airbnb Automated. Thank you for getting better. I hope you make your people better. I'll see you on the other side.